Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video quality and video resolution on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the camera app, so let's do it. And now let's tap on the video to change the modes. Now we can tap on the settings, which are in the right upper corner, so let's do it. And as you can see here, we've got the video quality option, so let's tap on it. And here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. We can set 480p with medium quality, 720p with high quality, which is right now applied because this option is highlighted, and on the right we've got 1080p with fine quality. So obviously it's up to you which option you'd like to use. In order to change it, just tap on the option you'd like to set, and as you can see, it immediately changes, but I highly recommend to leave 720p with high quality because this is the best possible option. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.